Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. All my excellencies. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe and ding that notification bell so you don't miss a beat. In this lesson, I'm creating a custom list. Creation a custom list. Now you're already conversant with using the field handle to actually create a series of the months of the year or the days of the week and so much more that we actually see using the field handle. You can actually create your own custom list. So say for example, in your organization, you have a list of departments or faculties or some other kind of list you actually work with regularly. So you can actually create a custom list and then you use it just like how you use your field handle to create a series of the week or months of the year. So let's see how we can actually do that. So let's get into it. So to create custom list, just make a list of those items you actually work with and then you select everything, create a list and select it. Now come to file. Now because I'm using Microsoft 365, okay, depending on the version of Excel you're using, might vary. Okay, but in Microsoft 365 this is how we can actually get to it. So click on file and I go to more, and the more, click on more. Now come to options. Okay, click on options. Now brings up this dialog box, Excel options dialog box, and now come down to advanced. Okay, in the advanced section, I click all the way down. I scroll all the way down to the general section. Okay, in the general section, I come to where is the quick list, remove the sorts and fill sequences. Okay, and I'll click on edit custom list. Okay, now it opens up the custom list dialog box for me. Then I come to import. Okay, click on import. I now import that list I created and selected. Okay, so I can see it here now. The list is here, and then I see those items here. And I just simply click OK. Let's say I come to another day. Click OK here. Let's say I come to, I want to actually make a list out of those items. Okay, I can now type any of the items in the list. Okay, either from the first, I can start from the first, or any of the items in the list. And I press Ctrl Enter and scroll. I use my fill handle and fill down the series. Okay, so you can see that screen tip there to help us know where we're at in the list. I can either fill down, fill across, whichever way. Okay, so the screen tip there is here to guide you so that you can actually know where you're at. That is it. Now let's assume you actually omitted an item in the list and you want to modify that custom list. You can actually get that done fairly easily also. So let's see how we can actually modify the custom list. So I go back to file, more, options. Okay, come down to advanced here, scroll all the way down. Okay, my general section, and then in the create list for using sorts and fill sequences, I click on edit custom list. Okay, I now click on the custom list I want to actually modify. Okay, click on the custom list I want to modify, then I come where I actually want to add the new item in the list. Click that, press enter. You can see a new space is created. So let's see how I omitted training. I'll type my training. Okay, training. Then I click OK. Okay, so next time I come to create my new list, I actually have that training as part of my list. So I can just come, said, and type in just that or any of the items in the list. Okay, you can start with the first one or any one. Control Enter, just Control Enter. Then when I fill down now, you can see training part of the list. Okay, so that's how we can actually modify a custom list. Now, an amazing feature of custom list is that they can be used with the sort command and also in your pivot table reports. Okay, so if you are working with sort commands, you can actually use it. And then when you have to also create pivot table, okay, you can actually make use of it in your pivot table report. So the last thing we want to look at is deleting custom list. So let's assume we're done with the custom list. You don't want to make use of it anymore. Okay, to delete, let's go back to file, more, then options. Okay, click in advanced. Okay, let's go all the way down to my general section in the advanced tab. Okay, general. Okay, come back to my edit custom list. Yeah, and then you click on that custom list I want to have deleted. Then on the right here, see delete. Click on delete. Now it tells me the list to be deleted permanently. Okay, and that list is no more. So that's how we can actually delete a custom list. So that's how we can work with a custom list. Very interesting and useful feature we can use to actually make work easier for us while working in Excel. So that's working and creating a custom list in Excel. Any questions at all? Comment, let me know in the comment section. Okay, don't forget to share, like, and also subscribe. See you in the next lesson. And don't forget in all your endeavors, strive for excellence. Thank you very much. See you in the next lesson.